Hey everyone, I'm Mike with Cardo, here to show you the all-new Packtalk Edgephones. Now, when compared to our prior headphones, which were designed for a previous generation of Packtalk, the concept remains the same, and that's to be able to use your Cardo in the many different scenarios where you wouldn't be putting on a helmet. But let me tell you, we've made some big-time improvements on these. Let's check it out. Whether used in a coaching or training environment where the instructor can improve efficiency by talking to the students in real time, or in the content creation world where the photographer or the film crew can talk in real time with the subject and say, hey, yeah, it's clear to make the pass. There really is a ton of different ways that Edgephones, which is compatible with Cardo's Packtalk Edge comm device, can be utilized to easily and reliably elevate the entire experience. The kit comes inside of its own protective carrying case. And in opening that, you'll find some documentation over here, which includes the safety and warranty card, along with the installation guide. And on this side, we have the tray, which includes a cavity where you can store your Packtalk Edge module. Releasing the tray, we find the Edgephones and the detachable microphone below it. Build-wise, the Edgephones deliver a rugged yet ergonomic feel with folding ear cups that provide a noise reduction rating of 15, which also can pivot slightly for the ideal fitment, and an adjustable headband to fit all sizes. When you're ready to go, just grab the microphone, get it plugged in. Always make sure that that little yellow triangle is facing your mouth. Then just grab your Packtalk Edge and place it right into that magnetic air mount, which holds on tight until you're ready to take it off. When that time comes, simply grab the front of the module and pull it away. And that's it. You can check out our website for more information. Follow us on social media for the latest updates, and we'll see you next time.